Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Navi's Healthy Kitchen. Today's video is about the delicious and nutritious smoothie bowls. What's so special about these smoothie bowls? They are made with fruits and vegetables which are a very important source of fiber, vitamins and minerals. In this video, I'm gonna make 5 different and colorful and tasteful smoothies using basic fruits and vegetables such as bananas, apples, kiwis, spinach, kale that you can easily find at your local store. The best part with these smoothies is that you can use your fantasy and choose different combinations of fruits and vegetables as per your choice. I love to eat the smoothie bowls in the early morning as breakfast, or you can have it as a snack. That's all for now, and it's time to make some smoothie bowls.